Hi, I'll be demonstrating our two-step cleaning process for our Nuvog handpiece. We start off by removing the transmission. We'll be placing the Nuvog clean onto it, spray a couple of times until clear solution comes out. Make sure to wipe it. We do the same process with the Nuvog oil. Spray it a couple of times until clean solution comes out. And that is it for our transmission. We remove the back end of our motor. You'll be receiving this small adapter. Please note that there is a flat side and a side with a nipple. Please place the flat side onto the motor. Screw it back in. We're going to repeat the same process with our Nuvog Clean. Spray it a couple of times until clean solution comes out. Wipe it. Do the same process with our Nuvog oil. And spray it until clean solution comes out. And that concludes our cleaning process for Nuvog.